Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Trader Tim here from eMiniMind.com. Today is the 31st of July, 2017, and we're doing a Monday market analysis. Going to be kicking off the month of August tomorrow, and the markets are holding in this big body candle inside day. And as we kind of sit up here at the negative 23% target, we can sort of look at this in a couple different ways. We are up at the target. The ES is up at the negative 23% target from the 50 below us. If we take from the gap up lows to highs, that does give us a nice 50% from where the market last week sold off right to that level. And so if the market does move a little higher, it gives us at least a little bit of a target, 2490 to 2500. But in the meantime, anything within this larger body candle is just going to be, a sideways base building consolidation. And that's similar to what we had back here in June and July. And I would expect to see something similar as we head into the month of August. Now, that being said, this morning, right off the open, right after that first 15 minutes passed, had a really nice short setup. Market broke lows, traded up into its 50% retracement, sold off, retested lows, and then rolled over and got a really nice uh, trending move down that took us to the top of the hour. And so, there are really good moves even in the context of a larger body candle. You just have to kind of keep your radar up and be a little bit cautious. And, I'm always looking for activity to occur at the bottom of the candle and at the top of the candle. So those two levels would be 2480 and 2457. So those are the two bigger action points. Selling off, if we do drift lower, we've got this other support level now at 2440, those previous highs. And so going forward into the week, I'm keeping in mind that August can be a slower, choppier month. If we take a look at the monthlies, we can see that straight up move that we've been in all but 1 month has been up here on the ES thus far this year and even last year, with the exception of a couple month pullback at the end of the year, um, and opening in January, really a solid, strong uptrend from February of 2016. And even if we go back all the way, down into the 08, 09 recession, things have been moving upwards and continuing upwards very strongly. And sometimes you can get caught up in the weeds looking at intraday or a daily chart, but I mean even the daily chart is just straight up. So any pullback that we get, that's bigger where we break the previous swing low, yes, it could send us in a short-term downtrend, but in the bigger picture, we really haven't had any sort of major pullback. So all things looking good in the markets. Lots of good trading opportunities in the last couple of weeks, and just remain a little bit cautious in the month of August as people start to kind of get their kids back to school, maybe take that one last holiday. And so sometimes the markets can do wild things. So if you're looking to take a break or just kind of get away from the screen for a few days or a week, the month of August is a very good time to do that. We'll be doing a live trading session tomorrow morning, as always on Tuesday mornings. You can check that out over at eminimind.com. And if you have questions, shoot me an email, tim@eminimind.com, and I'll try to answer some of those. In addition to responding to your email, I'll try to get to some of those in the Thursday video as well. Hope everyone has a great week, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.